My gas pedal's installed. I just cut a square hole up there for the cable to go through the firewall. This gas pedal's out of the 99 Chevy pickup also. I ended up using my old race car engine in here because the one from the 69 Chevy pickup burned a lot of oil, so using this one, hooked up a makeshift radiator just to be able to run it. Looking good. I got my ignition wired up so I can just turn the key. So I got the truck to the point of having it together enough to take it for a little test drive to see how things work. So I'll hop in and fire it up and see how things go. Now that I got the running gear done, I can drive it around, back it in and out of the garage. I'm going to fix some of the rust, put some floorboards in, fix the body mounts. Yeah. I modified an old Y-pipe to fit so I can run some exhaust on it. Temporary until I put duals on, I guess, but I wanted it a little quieter, so I made the Y-pipe and put a muffler on it.